Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Discord app. We will go to this window here of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Discord and we click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord, and here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support